Cats are hanging around this bird feeder. I couldn't figure out why. And somebody got a little overzealous and got inside the feeder. Now we got to figure out how to get you out, buddy, without injuring you. How in the world did you get in there? Oh, I see. Went in the top. No? Well. Let me out.